Hey, there's Susan topping our potatoes, taking the bloom,
little fruits if you
taking her
seed.
taking our flowers off of the potatoes. We want all the activity to be underground.
See one of these nasty little gliders carrying disease, who knows? That one's already bloomed, a little late on that.
Yeah, a little late on that one. But yeah, get them topped. You know, lived in Kentucky for a while. That's something they do in tobacco. When those blooms get out, they get out and top all their tobacco plants. You know, they don't want the energy going into producing seed. They want it to go into the plant. Okay. We've been out here and working in the garden this morning, and I want you all to look at our tomatoes. This is pretty obvious that we got herbicide damage in here, which is, you know, from ag fields. You can see twisted growth and malformed leaves.
They want to grow down, every one of them.
And these are all wanting to turn down and grow down toward the ground. And come over here, look at this one right here. You can see
I've been pulling them up, so
leaves are misshapen. You can see there's a leaf that has dieback around the edges. But when you see cupped leaves and unusual shapes and twisted growth, that's pretty clear that we're getting herbicided here. And because we've got trees around three sides of this, but we have an ag field across the road, and anyway, the wind can blow in from there.
It's just out there.
And anyway, it's just out there, going back and forth between here and the farm. Yesterday, I felt like I was being gassed the whole way. I could smell herbicide the whole way over there, you know.
Okay, look at this one right here. See this one? See that downward?
Yeah, see that one's growing down.
It's got it immediately goes down.
You can see these leaves here are misshapen.
Well, those are pretty new, but that one that obviously has a crick going down.
Oh yeah, and you can see these are
them.
trying to grow down, and you can see the leaves are kind of tattered looking.
And I have to bring them up every day. I get a hold of them.
See right here, that's on oaks we call that tatters.
See that downward growth right there?
Yeah, that terminal there is growing down.
And I bring them up every day.
Anyway, that's just a fact of life of living in the country now. We're pretty sure this is dicamba, and dicamba drifts. Oh yeah, look how crooked that one is. Yeah, that's got real curly cues to it. Pretty sure it's dicamba. We're used to seeing 2,4-D damage, but in recent years they came out with dicamba. Dicamba seems to go much farther, and it doesn't take much of it to cause a lot of weird growth on your plants and your trees. So anyway, that's just a fact of life of living in the country anymore, I guess. We'll see how they come out of it. So
well, they've got tomatoes. They just
they're
growth habit.
They're flowering and making tomatoes, and we sprayed everything this morning with fungicide because we're getting a little bit of fungus on the lower parts. But
I don't think that's
yeah, look at that. That's weird growth. Anyway. And I guess we'll have that forever. Nobody's going to go back to cultivating their crops with a tractor 2 or 3 times. You know, the herbicide is the way to go. It makes it a lot.
You couldn't afford the fuel.
You can't. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper than running a tractor and spending day after day on a tractor. And that's just the way things are now.